All right, so this is how we're looking right now for the month. There's the monthly P&L. This is how much we're up this week. I'm down. I'm technically like break even this week right now because these three losses took out this green trade. So we have the last trading day of the week. I'm looking for longs today just because on the higher time frame, putting in higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So let's see how the market reacts. So I'm only looking for longs from any of these areas of demand, or if we get some confirmation on the order flow from pre-market low, and or um maybe a break and retest of pre-market high, which is above the supply zone to the next area of supply, which is up there. So yeah, that's what I'm looking for today. So yeah, that's what I'm looking for today. I mean, we do have like a little bit of a double top right here. So I don't know. So I mean, let's see how order price action is. Because if I get strong confirmation to take it short at this level of supply, I might do that. But the order flow would have to show me something. So I'm gonna just wait for a good setup today. And if we catch a green trade, good. If we catch a red trade, just keep the loss small so that we can survive. Yep. Exit out of that. Let me see. Hello? Yeah, what's up, man? Yesterday's high and low? Mhm. You careful for what? Alright, I'm back. Well, while we're waiting for this to set up, let me see. We are between yesterday high, yesterday low. let's look at some equities. I was waiting for this to happen on Apple for a long time. Look at this. Break. Retest. Boom. Looks like it took a while for this to happen though. Dang, this is nasty price action on Apple. This would have got me mad. This is the worst. Look, once we finally begin to hold this level, just consolidation, consolidation, consolidation. Poof. Nasty. Disgusting price action. The video's respecting this trend line right now. Tesla right now is trading in between this range. All right, we got 2 more minutes till the market opens. Put my phone. All right, so let's see what happens. Wow, all the sectors are going strong except for XLF. Yeah, even though at his level of supply, I wouldn't want to take this short. Nothing on Bookmap is really signifying to me that this would be a good short, even though this is a nice supply zone. I honestly probably would want to break and retest of this pre-market high. But we'll see because things are starting to turn around now. I mean, to the so yeah, this is looking honestly this is looking bullish to me. Dang, look at XLF. Whoa, that's crazy. Oh, this is on the 3-minute chart. Let me go to the 1-minute chart. Okay. Oh no. Dang. Dang, that's crazy. If I did go short the supply zone, I was just saying I didn't want to go short here. How does this play out? what's 691? Oh shoot, there's 691 is up here. Okay. Tesla, let me check out Tesla. What's going on Tesla? Oh wow. Tesla's pushing this morning. My indicator not indicating. Wow, look at Tesla. Tesla pumped up strong, broke the pre-market high. Your SPY is just consolidating right now. Oh my gosh. Man, I'm only looking to man, I want to take this long, man. I don't want to short this, but for us to go long, we have to break above this area of liquidity, which is this pre-market high right here, and then target this area of supply right here, which is not even a lot. If we target that area, that's like 18 points. You don't got to catch the whole move. Just catch a decent amount of it. But let's see. We're about to hit that pre-market high right now. See how we react to it. Oh wow, XLK and XLF are diverging crazy. XLF is just hitting the pre-market low, while XLK is breaking out. Oh wow, look at all this selling right here happening at the pre-market high. Let's see how we. Dang, look, we're not breaking above. Oh shoot, we're getting a nice little green candle on XLF at the pre-market low. If we could break this 6390.75 level, which is this pre-market high, you see all this liquidity up here at the pre-market high right here where my little mouse is. If we could break this and then retest it, I'll definitely look to take this long, because all the liquidity is to the upside right now. So yeah, I think we're gonna break out of this. Yeah, look, we're breaking out right now. All right, let's see how the price action looks. I just want to retest to this. Oh wow, look at this. Look at all these. Look at all this activity that are happening right here at the pre-market high. Oh yeah, we're breaking out. Let's see how this 1 minute candle thing. I just gotta wait for a retest. I got in on this. I'm in on this right now. Alright, I'm just gonna leave this trade alone. I'm gonna use the bathroom. My dad just said take the 1-to-1. Can't do that. Can't do that. Can't do that, yo. You said take the 1-to-1. Can't do it, man. Where we at right now? I think we're at a 1-to-1 right now. Yeah, this is a 1-to-1 right now. Can't do that. Targeting this area supply. Dang, man. Even if it comes back and stops me out, I gotta be okay with it. I gotta be okay. This is this is a 3-to-1. This is a 3-to-1 right here. I'm targeting up here. If you look on Bookmap, up here. But I gotta stick with my 3-to-1. I gotta stick with it, man. Nah, I can't do the 2-to-1 either. 3-to-1. 3-to-1 risk to reward ratio. My win rate is too low to be taking a 2-to-1. I gotta capitalize on these things, and I'm not. It's not even like I'm targeting yesterday's highs. I'm only targeting uh right below yesterday highs, because this is yesterday high up here. So I don't know. I gotta walk away. I can't micromanage the position. But I think we just got some buyers that stepped in. What was this right here? I don't think they got filled though. If they got filled, you would see it on this column right here. Man, this is stressful, man. I can't just sit here and watch this, man. I gotta go back downstairs or something, man. Man, this gonna give me gray hairs, yo. Did I get taken out of position? Oh my gosh, thank God, bro. That was so stressful. Hold on. Let me just block this out real quick. Oh my goodness, man. Thank God. Oh my gosh. Alright, let me put this back up. Okay. Oh, what the heck? Oh, it's because I have it open on my phone. Multiple percent detect the exchange regular increment only active at a time. You guys. Okay, hold on. Let me just then. I gotta do this. Let me close it on my phone. That was annoying. Alright, let me enter back in. Okay. Excuse me. Alright, let me open it back up now. Alright, that trade just brought us back. It took care of all those losses I took this week. Oh my goodness, bro. That was such a stressful trade, bro. But we're back from those 3 losses we took this week. Yeah. Now I gotta explain the trade. All right. Let me see. All right. So let me explain the trade now. Man. So honestly, I wanted to get in down here. Hold on. Let me show you. I honestly wanted to get in down here on this candle right here. And I'm gonna show you guys why I wanted to get in there, but I didn't want to take it there because we had the supply zone right here, and I just didn't have the confidence from just getting cooked these past couple of days. But what I did take though was like I said in the morning, or I don't know if I recorded this, but at first I just wanted to go long because on the higher time frame we made a higher high, higher low, and then we were rebounding from this. Hold on. We were rebounding from this sell-off that we had. Yeah, look, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So that's what I saw in the pre-market. So even though we were at the supply zone, I didn't want to take it short at the supply zone. So I was looking for a break and retest of pre-market high. And then on Bookmap right here, this is pre-market high right here. Pre-market high had it was 6,939. Let me see, because there was a lot of liquidity at pre-market high. I think it was right here. Was it? Isn't this right here? It's 689. 689. Okay, so look, this was pre-market high right here. So we were at pre-market high, and we had a lot of liquidity up here. So even though we had all this liquidity, and you could see this was the right here when we came to and we dropped down. This was that red candle right here, the 943 candle. But when we came up there, I still didn't want to take a short because I didn't think we was my bias wasn't short for the day. So what I did was once we broke out, I didn't just want to take it long here. Even I wanted to wait for a retest, but the market did not give me a clean retest. But then once we had this little 950 hammer candle, I just took it. Even though the retest wasn't that clean, I still took the retest. I still took this candle, and I just held it for a 3.27 R trade. So a 3-to-1 R trade. So I targeted this level of supply, which was where the sell-off started yesterday. So that was my target. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's pretty much the trade. All right, now this candle right here, why I wanted to get in at this candle right here, this 934 candle. But the reason why I hesitated was because I didn't want to get cooked. Was maybe using the word cook isn't the best vocabulary, but I didn't want to take a loss. But let me see if I can pull this up. 934. What did I see at 934? Is the 934 candle. And I didn't want to get in a trade off the open, but look, off the open at 934, I saw it was like this, and this is the same thing that kind of made me money the other day. Was it Monday? So we started having these little. Let me show you in real time. So look to the right where my mouse is. Orders kept coming in, and it was like a staircase. So passive orders, they kept coming in over here again and again, pushing the market up. And it was 934, so I didn't want to take that. So I just waited till we cleared pre-market high, and then that's when I entered my trade. And then all the sectors, XLF was going. Let me pull up the sectors right now. I could pull this up real quick. XLF. All right, so these are the sectors. So XLK was going up strong. XLF was going up strong. And then XLY was going up strong too today. So that was the trade for today. And yeah, it was a good trading day. But yeah, that's it. Oh, look, now we're dropping from that supply zone. This was a good supply zone. That was a good take profit. All right, well, that's it for today. We're done.